In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to ask a question, view Gemini's AI-generated response right in your browser, expand the details for more context, and use the Dive Deeper option to explore further. First, open Google Chrome. This works best on a current version of Chrome, so if you haven't updated in a while, consider doing that later. With Chrome open, head to the search bar and simply type your question. You don't need special formatting or commands, just write what you want to know in plain language. To show you how it works, I'll type, "What are the most in-demand niches this year?" You can substitute any question you have, but using a clear, specific prompt like this helps Gemini understand your intent. Then press Enter to search. At the top of the results page, you'll see a Gemini-generated response based on your prompt. This is a concise overview, pulling together key insights so you can get an immediate, helpful answer without scrolling through multiple links first. Take a moment to scan the summary. Often, you'll see supporting points, brief explanations, and sometimes links or references that help you verify what you're reading. If you want more depth, click Show More. This expands the overview to include additional details, context, and related angles that might not fit in the initial summary. It's a great way to see how the answer was developed and to uncover nuances you might not have considered. As you read, keep an eye out for specific terms or examples that refine your understanding. Those are often the biggest time savers. When you're ready to go beyond the overview, click Dive Deeper in AI mode. This opens a more exploratory space where you can continue the conversation, ask targeted follow-up questions, and guide Gemini to focus on the aspects that matter most to you. For example, after asking about in-demand niches, you could follow up with criteria like audience size, monetization options, or the level of competition you're comfortable with. A few quick tips as you work. Be as clear as possible with your wording, include any constraints or goals you have, and don't hesitate to iterate. Short follow-ups like compare these or give pros and cons can sharpen the results quickly. And remember, AI is a starting point. Use the included sources and your own judgment to validate important decisions. That's the flow. Open Chrome, ask your question, review the Gemini response at the top, click. Show more for context, and use Dive Deeper in AI mode to explore further.